Hi and welcome to today's video by Study Interface. Today's video is about the PTE academic. Today's video is going to be about PTE writing, in particular the summary writing that is part of PTE. First, let's talk about the basics. In summary writing, the first thing you have to do is read a prompt. The prompt is in the form of a brief passage. The passage is a maximum of 300 words. The skills tested are both reading and writing, because remember, this is an integrated question. Your response will basically tell the test whether you can both read and write and integrate both well enough. The time to read the passage and also write your summary for each such question is 10 minutes, and you can expect 1, 2 or 3 summary writing tasks in each PTE test. So, what do you have to do in this task? Well, first, you have to read the prompt, understand it completely. Understanding it completely means getting the main idea of the passage. Also, getting all the most important supporting information that is based on the main idea. After this, you are required to write a summary of that 300-word passage in one sentence. This sentence should be a minimum of 5 words and a maximum of 75 words. So, what do you have to do in this particular task? Well, first, you have to read the prompt, that is the passage that is up to 300 words, and then demonstrate that you have understood it completely with your response. Reading the prompt means that you should get the main idea of the prompt and also understand all the main supporting ideas. Next, you have to write a summary of what you have read in just one sentence. That sentence should be between 5 and 75 words. So now, how is your summary scored? Firstly, it is scored for form. The question asked here is, have you responded in only one sentence? The sentence should be technically and structurally just one sentence, though it can have multiple clauses in it. Then you are also tested on your grammar, structurally and also from the point of view of written expression. Try to avoid even minor grammatical mistakes in your summary. Finally, your lexical resource or vocabulary is tested. The richness, variety and color or metaphorical sense of the words that you have used is what will give you marks in vocabulary. So finally, what is the plan of attack as far as summary questions go in the PTE writing? First, read the passage effectively. While reading the passage, keep asking yourself what the main idea is. The main idea of the passage will be pretty close to the top of the passage. Though it may not be the first sentence, it will not be very far away from the first sentence. This will be followed by supporting ideas. Make sure that you take notes on what the main idea is and also what the supporting points are. These notes should be in the form of bullet points, not entire sentences, because time is limited and bullet points will help you construct a sentence from your notes much more easily than if you write complete sentences. Next, join all the bullet points in a compound complex sentence. A compound complex sentence is a sentence that has at least 2 independent clauses and 1 dependent clause. Learn how to write compound complex sentences and then practice a lot with summary questions. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos about PTE, like, share and subscribe. To get your PTE preparation on track or get your plans for study abroad on track, register at studyinterface.io.